I've been to the fire and the rain. You see, I am facing trials that I've never been in, but I'm hanging on to every word you say. Here in the Bible that I've read, I put my hope in you, trusting that you're gonna see me through, believing that faith is the only way. Lord, bless my house as I bless you. Lord, bless my house as I bless you. Here I stand with outstretched hands, crying out to you, Lord. I need a divine refreshing. I'm empty, Lord, got nothing else to give. My faith in you, I hear, I vow to be in your will. I put my hope, anybody put your hope in him, trusting that you're gonna see me through. Anybody need God to see you through? Praying, Lord, by faith that everything will change. Lord, bless my house as I bless you. Lord, bless my house as I bless you. This is what's been happening for so many years now. I've been preaching and praying